Hello there and welcome to the first 2026 Lexical Lab 1 Minute English video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Over the Christmas holidays, I watched a lot of TV. And over the last few days, I've been on a particular binge. I've been binge watching all 5 series of Slow Horses. For those of you who don't know the series, it's a gritty spy thriller set in London. And last night, the anti-hero, a character called Jackson Lamb, played particularly brilliantly by Gary Oldman, came out with the following sentence where he was particularly annoyed with someone he was talking to taking the moral high ground. He said, "Don't come all holier than thou with me." If you describe someone as being holier than thou or having a holier than thou attitude, it's a way of showing your disapproval, because you're basically saying that you think, they believe, that they're somehow morally superior to you, they're more religious than you, they're a purer, better, more civilized human being than you are. And generally it is used in this disapproving way. So you might say something like, "Oh, I can't stand that guy's holier than thou attitude." Or you might have to tell somebody, "Listen, you're not special, okay? You're just like the rest of us. So cut all the holier than thou crap." And you might even observe that you don't have to be a hypocrite to be holier than thou. But obviously it helps. Incidentally, in the sentence from Slow Horses, the "don't come all holier than thou with me," this thing about "don't come with me" basically means don't try to be, or don't try and be like this with me. So you might get things like, "Don't come the hard man with me," like don't try and pretend you're a tough guy with me. Or "don't come the innocent with me," don't try and pretend that you're innocent in this situation with me, because I know that it's not true. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use holier than thou.